welcome back to today's video. I'm Vick. If you're just joining me for the first time, this channel is all about product recommendations. So in today's video, we're going to have a review on these two products, Kiss and Teens and Johnson baby lotion. You know, children's skin is very tender and a lot of parents do not know the best cream to use for their children. That is why I have decided to share with you this video for you to know the best one to get according to their various complexions. So if your child is naturally fair, you can see that these lovely kits are so beautiful, and this one is light in complexion and this is chocolate in complexion. So today I'm going to share the best cream to use for each of their complexions, and I have this Johnson baby lotion and I have Kiss and Teens. So if your child is naturally fair, just like this baby hair, you can use this product for her, which is Kiss and Teens. But if she's chocolate in complexion, you can consider using Johnson baby lotion, because one thing I've discovered about this Kiss and Teens is that it naturally lightens children and make them look lighter and makes their hair grow and make them look very beautiful. So if you want to tone your child's skin, consider using this product. And if you want to retain your child's complexion and make her look so beautiful like this, consider using this product. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope to see you next time.